very realistic space environment, but also an interesting space environment.
And what we've tried to do is introduce the most interesting aspects of space, your nebulas, your planets. We have warp holes and black holes and jump gates.
Foremost, Colony Wars is a fantastic arcade shoot-'em-up. The game is huge. It consists of over 70 missions.
Immediate response required.
One of the weapons is a grapple hook. They can't get away. Keep blasting at them until they explode.
Frigate detected.
This is POW trans...
As you can see on the screen, you're constantly getting information about what is going on in the game. You're getting information telling you that your civilian craft is under attack. You have to basically be pulling you back into the action, into what you're supposed to be doing during the mission. You're also going to get more information that will come to you by voiceovers. You get information from your wingman, you get information from your headquarters. What we've done with Colony Wars is we've created the most realistic space epic since Star Wars. Our primary objective is to give the player a feeling of truly being in the midst of a war that is taking place in space. The game is huge. It consists of over 70 missions.